Hello, my name is Mike from Toronto.
Jason Nicoleta.
Harry Zaki.
I'm Adam Emerson.
So we're doing the assignment, trying to find out exactly what we learned from the DGL class of Joe. So let's start out with this. What did we learn from the DGL class?
Pretty much what I learned was a lot about video etiquette and how to present yourself professionally within a group. It was very, very helpful, and I actually want to learn a lot more about this.
I learned about time management through the Linda videos that was recommended. Remember, gathering points.
I learned a lot about the Beagle list. They helped me keep my research organized and made it a lot easier when it came back to referencing to the stuff I just found on the internet.
I learned a lot of different methods, such as how to work with PowerPoint a little bit better, and also Google Drive helped me to really understand those things. So what kind of things did you guys wish you could have learned more about the class?
I kind of wish I'd learned a little bit more about digital law, just to learn the ins and outs of the social media, and to know what is appropriate and what isn't appropriate to use in your projects.
Yeah, and I would have liked to learn a little bit more about LinkedIn because it's really important to do that because you could get a job essentially through that. And I would have liked a better explanation of how to use it.
I would have liked a little bit better explanation on the Google Docs because I wasn't familiar with it, so it was completely new to me, and we didn't really go over it too much, so I was a little bit lost when it came to trying to figure out how to use it.
Yeah, kind of same with me. One of the assignments is that he asked us to use the Google Drive to use PowerPoint presentation off of it, which he didn't go over any part of it until the last one. So trying to do the assignment is a little lost in that using Google Drive. So I wish I could have learned more about it prior to us getting the assignment.
Yeah, that's definitely one thing I would suggest him in the future doing, is maybe going over Google Docs a little more extensively in the beginning.
And just how to use it.
Introduce those who don't know how to use it. We're happy that you guys use it. We understand it.
All right. So what would you guys recommend for the upcoming class and next group coming in?
Well, first off, if you're making a video, make sure that it works, and if it doesn't, make sure you have doubles of it recording at the same time, or else you're doing this for the third time in a row.
Yes.
Yeah.
Really bad.
It's not like we're not doing that, but just make sure that you don't.
I'd say get familiar with Movie Maker or Final Cut Pro or whatever you're using as a video editing software because you will be using it a lot, and as well as Docs because that's also a very important software that's going to be used throughout your classes here.
Yeah, for most students, I would just recommend micromanaging a lot because in this school, you do get 4 years worked up on top of you, and as you know, you probably only have maybe 2 to 3 years here at school. So, take into consideration that's a lot of work you get dumped on top of you. So you need to make sure you micromanage and get your work done day by day, and even if it's just a little work that you do 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, maybe it gets done, and you don't wait until last minute to get it done.
It'll make it a lot easier.
Yeah, make sure you guys read the instructions because you may find out that you all your assignment everything's good except that you forgot to share your assignment, and Joe may not be able to open your assignment and might give you 0. So make sure you read the full instructions before you submit it so that you are able to gain credit for your work. So,
As well as looking at the rubric because that's important too.
Yes, the rubric is always important.
Don't wait until Sunday. Here though, if you do wait until Sunday, make sure you hand it in early on Sunday, which means you would have to stay up all night. In which that case, you need to have some sort of energy drink or a lot of coffee.
on that, have fun, guys. See you later.
So yeah.